What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne, and I am here with yet another Amazon Prime unboxing. I'm not sponsored by Amazon Prime or any of the products that are going to be featured in this, but I wish I was. I've got my trusty knife. Oh, yeah. I'm going to do this video. This shit from Lexington, Kentucky to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. I really, truly appreciate all my loyal viewers, and if you're a new viewer, what's up? I appreciate you too. If you want to help support my channel, just hit the notification bell, subscribe, find out when my next video will be. You can also cash at me at London Hawthorne. Or if you like cool t-shirts, I recommend riptapparel.com. That's R-I-P-T apparel.com. Or onceuponat.net. Find your shirts of choice. Save on average of $3 or more off every shirt. If you use my username London Hawthorne when you're checking out. You can buy more than one shirt and save, by the way. So this is a 3-pack of Salonpas jet spray, pain relieving jet spray from Hisamitsu. So I have joint issues. I have early onset arthritis from being so big for so long. If you're a new subscriber, I've lost over 230 pounds. Hitting the gym, clanging and banging. Yeah. So unfortunately, I have joint problems. I feel like the Tin Man oil can. I spray it's easier to spray like this, get me through the day, get me through a work shift, just get me through, man. So this is what I do. So if you recommend something better that works for you, let me know. I like these because I don't get ouchies. If I get a cut or whatever in my fingers at work or at the gym, gloops can really hurt. Pain spray doesn't hurt. I recommend avoiding your eyes because I've done that before. And I'm sure if I sprayed directly in the cut, it would hurt. So I wouldn't recommend that at all. But as always, I appreciate any suggestions for, similar products or ways to adhere them better. Leave a comment, and I wish you the best. Get healthy, get happy, and stay motivated. Get going. Have a great day.